last video that we will learn Azure by creating a sample project. Okay, and we will create all these resources. But before starting, let me update you that we need a Azure subscription. Okay, and to get that Azure subscription, what we need to do? We need to register to Microsoft website. Okay, we will have to go to a particular link, that is portal.azure.com, and there we will have to give our credit card. By providing the credit card, Microsoft provides us a free 30-day trial period with the help of which we can play. Okay. But what about that situation if we have consumed our 30 days, okay, or we don't have credit card? What we need to do? We need to learn Azure but without credit card. Okay. So what we will do? For that perspective, we need a sandbox. Okay. Microsoft provide a sandbox to us with the help of which we can learn and we can create our resources. But there are some limitations with respect to that, and we will talk about that. So let's learn how to get that sandbox without giving any credit card. Okay, so what we need to do, uh, we need to go on this link. This is the link. I will provide this link to my to this description. Okay, so once you will land on this page, you will get a button here, sign in to activate sandbox. Okay. Okay, before clicking on this, let me go to my Azure portal. I will go to portal.azure.com. Okay. You will have to log in here. Once logged in, you will have to click here. Okay. Directories plus subdirectories on this icon. Here you will get all your subscriptions. Okay. As of now, I have 4 subscription and these subscription are no more use for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a sandbox. Okay. You can see there is no subscription with respect to sandbox. So now I am here. I'm clicking on sign in to activate sandbox. Once I will click here, I will have to log in here. Okay. After logged in, it will process. Okay. It is now okay, done. Now what it is stating, it is stating to click on this button to review permissions. I will click on this button. Fine. What I will do now, I will click on this button to accept the permissions. Just wait. Okay. It appears that it is creating a sandbox for us. Okay. It is creating resource group and assigning roles. Okay. It is also creating a storage account for us. Okay. This is just going to complete. Done. Okay. Now what it is stating? It is stating that sandbox activated. Time remaining 3 hours 59 minutes. So basically Microsoft has provided a sandbox to us and that is active only for 4 hours. So we can play with this subscription up to 4 hours, and after 4 hours we will have to activate it again. Okay, but whatever we want to learn, we can learn definitely within 4 hours. So we don't need any credit card. So what we need to do, we will go back to our Azure portal and we will click here. Okay, let me refresh my page. Fine. Now you can see that there is a new more subscription which is coming as Microsoft Learn Sandbox. What I need to do, I need to click here, switch. Okay, now this is my current subscription. Let me go to home now. Fine. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay, let me click on subscription here. Yes, I have this subscription name, which has been provided by Microsoft to me as Sandbox. Okay, now what I will do, I will click on resource groups. You can see that this is the name of the resource group that Microsoft has already provided to us. As I updated earlier that there are some limitation. That limitation is that we cannot create our own resource group. Okay, this resource group has been provided by Microsoft to us. So we will have to work in this resource group. Once I will click here, I will get a storage account here. So this storage account has been created by Microsoft to us already. But yes, whatever we need to do with some limitations we can do. For example, let's say we were talking about platform as services. Okay, this was our solution that we were saying, okay, we need to go through this. So let's say we need to create an app service. Fine. So for that app service, what we need? We need an app service plan. Okay. For creating app service, we need an app service plan. So let's try to create an app service plan first. Fine. Okay. I will click here. I will search for app service plan. I will click here. Now I will click on create app service plan. Fine. Okay. Now let me choose the resource group. I cannot create my resource group. I will have to choose this. Now what is the app service plan details? Okay. I will have to provide the app service plan name. So let's use the short name ASP app service plan. Okay. Project name, let's say we are talking about learn, and let's say about East US. This is my location, and this is for development perspective. Okay, fine. Reason is East US pricing plan. Let's go ahead with the basic plan. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Let me click on review plus create. This is validating. Fine. This is saying that the template deployment failed because of policy violation. As I updated that there are some limitations. The limitation is that we cannot use this plan. Okay, we will have to use a shared plan, okay, or free plan. Let me click here on Windows. Okay, once I will click on Windows, I will get a shared app. So I will choose this plan, shared D1. Fine. Okay. Now what I will do after choosing this, I will click on review plus create. Great. This is now asking us to create. So let me create. Let me click on this button, that is create. Okay. Now it is starting the deployment. Let's wait for some time. Here we get all the notifications. Okay. Now my page has been automatically redirected. It is stating deployment is in progress. Fine, my application is ready. Let me click on go to resources. Okay, now this is my app service plan. Now in this app service plan, I need to create app services. So if you will see here, there are two app services, app service 1 and app service 2. The name was app 1 demo dev, although I have given a different name here. The name I have, okay, this is my app service plan name. Okay, what I will do, I will create an app service with this name. Fine. Okay, now let me click on home. I will search for app services. Fine. Now what I will do, I will click on create and web app. Okay, now I will click on resource group. Application name. What is the application name? I stated that let's try to use this name, app1 demo dev. Okay, so app1 demo dev. Great. This name is available. Now code runtime stack.NET 6 operating system Windows. Let region name East US, no problem. Okay, we have already created app service plan, so that's why this coming automatically to us. ASP learn EUD. Fine. Great. Now there are different tabs. Let's not worry about that as of now. Let's click on review plus create directly. Okay, great. Click on create now. Now what it is doing, it is creating a web app, app service, and that app service is an app service plan, right? And I stated here that this will be our URL api1 demodev.azurewebsites.net. Okay, let it deploy. Okay, we have one more service, that is api2 demodev.azurewebsite.net. Okay, let's click here. This app1 demo dev is ready. Let me click on browse. Great, this is running. Right, now let me create one more app service. Okay, so now we have created another web service, that is app2 demo dev. Let me browse this. This is also working. Fine, your web app is running. Okay, now with respect to this, we have learned that how to create an app service 1 and app service 2 without uh, providing any credit card. Fine, and we are doing this in our sandbox. But there are some limitations, as I stated, that we have a limitation to choose a specific app service plan. Okay, and we will also have other limitations once we will move ahead. But yes, if you want to proceed, I will suggest you to go through first with credit card. Okay, free 30 days trial period. If you have consumed your 30 days trial period and you want to further learn and you don't have any choice, okay, then you can go through with this link. Okay, fine, we are done. So what we are going to learn in our next session? We are going to learn in our next session Terraform. Okay, so whatever the resources that we have created as of now from the portal, we will do it from Terraform. Why Terraform? Because you know that whatever we are doing here, we are creating the resources with a sandbox of 4 hour limitation, 4 hour, right? So, but when we will use our sandbox, we will not, when we will use our Terraform, then we will not have to worry every time. Everything will be in our code. So Terraform is an infrastructure as a code. Okay, so whatever we are doing, right, we are going to the portal and we are clicking here. Okay, let's say, let's choose this app service name. We all will configure. This will be configured in our Terraform. Okay, so let's learn Terraform in our next session. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.